Janet with Try It Like It Created, and today I'm going to be making some fun earrings for our trip to Disney. And I found these buttons, excuse me, at Walmart. And so, opening up the package, I'm just going to cut off the back piece with a wire cutter. And you just want to protect yourself and cover it up while you're cutting so it doesn't fly. Alright, so I'm just going to snap that off, and then any remainder that could be sharp, you could file it down. Now I'm using a nail file, but of course you could use sandpaper or a Dremel. You don't have to get rid of it all completely. You just want it to be smooth and not sharp for the ear. Okay, and then once you've done that, you're just going to take your earring pieces and glue them to the back and let them sit for about 24 hours before you go to wear them. Now, lots of different things you can use to glue here with. You could use something like E6000. I am just going to use some gel super glue and just give it, cap it's glued on, so we're just gonna open it up here, put a small dab on the back, and that might just be too much, and then I'm going to set my earring back on there and let it dry.